Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Ashley of Yours Naturally 11 here on YouTube, and today I am here to debunk a myth, one that has been circulating in the Black community since the beginning of time, and that is oiling your scalp. Sis, if you are still oiling your scalp in 2020, we need to talk. I know all of our ancestors and our grandparents swore by oiling or greasing our scalp. They believed that it would encourage hair growth and diminish dandruff, but I'm here to tell you today that is far from the truth. So the fungus that is primarily caused by a lot of our scalp concerns, such as itchiness, dryness, flaking, actually is encouraged by heavy oils on the scalp. A lot of the oils that we use on our scalp back in the day and even today actually harbor and make the environment of our scalp ideal for that particular fungus. So in return, we continue to have all of these scalp issues and it just never goes away. For a truly healthy scalp, we actually need to incorporate products that are specifically formulated to get rid of the problem. There's no need to oil your scalp because your scalp actually produces sebum, which is the scalp's natural oil. So today I partnered with Royal Oils to share with you how I keep my scalp and hair healthy and flake free. So right behind me I have the Royal Oils collection, which is specifically formulated to keep the hair and the scalp healthy, moisturized, flake free, and itch free. This particular collection was actually formulated by a group of Black scientists to help encourage the hair to stay healthy, moisturized, while taking care of those scalp concerns that a lot of the Black community has. So being a natural hairstylist, I see a lot of my clients come in and they're like, you know, I oil my scalp, I grease my scalp, and I still continue to have flakage and dandruff and all these scalp issues they tell me about. I try to be nice with them, and I'm like, you know, come see sis, come see, let me tell you. Oiling your scalp is like throwback. We don't do that anymore. I tell them, look, the first thing that you need to stop doing is oiling your scalp. That is the reason why you are having these scalp issues, because you're only masking the problem, you're not treating the problem. After they stop doing that, and I recommend to them, you know, you need to keep your scalp clean, exfoliate your scalp, massage your scalp, and encourage the natural sebum, they come back to me and they're like, I don't have dandruff anymore. It's working. Like what you told me was working. I'm like, you just gotta trust me. Trust me. So the first step in my routine is to use the Royal Oils Water Activated Scalp Scrub. This product removes buildup and renews the scalp's surface. So this is a non-stripping formula that renews and hydrates the scalp. It draws out the impurities. It draws in hydration to improve the scalp's condition as you wash. I apply the scrub directly onto my scalp. I massage it with my fingertips, not my nails. And I can just feel as I'm using the product that the excess buildup is just going away. You can feel the exfoliation whenever you use this product. It's very, very gentle, but you can still feel it, and I love it. Then I rinse it really well, and I move on to the next step, which is shampooing. So next I use the Royal Oils Moisture Boost Shampoo, and this is gonna clean and hydrate my hair and my scalp. One thing I really love about the Royal Oils, it not only takes care of the scalp, it actually takes care of the hair, and it hydrates the hair and it keeps it healthy and slippery throughout the process. You know how sometimes whenever you use products that are focused on the scalp concerns, it actually dries out the hair? Well, the Royal Oils, that's why I love it, because it doesn't do that. And so I know that my hair is going to remain healthy while I'm treating my scalp. So I usually shampoo once or twice, just depending on how long it's been since my hair has been washed. Then I move on to the Royal Oils Deep Moisture Mask, and this is gonna intensely moisturize my hair and also treat my scalp. Y'all, let me tell y'all, this mask is hands down one of my favorite masks ever. I'm at the bottom, I'm already touching the bottom of this mask. So I don't really have to sit under the dryer with this, so I just leave it on my hair, maybe take a shower or something like that, and then I rinse it out. Next, I move on to the star of the show, the game-changing product of them all, and that is the Royal Oils Daily Moisture Scalp Cream. This product is gold. So I like to apply this product in sections, of course, because I really want to concentrate on the areas of my scalp that really need help. I love the fact that it comes conveniently with an applicator tip and I can apply it directly to the affected area. The main area is typically my front and the middle part of my head. I don't know why, but that is commonly seen in my clients as well. It comes out white, but once I apply it to the scalp and I massage it in with my fingers, it just disappears into the hair and it's very, very light. It is not heavy at all. So I just apply it all over my head and I'm done. So after I cleanse my hair, condition it, and treat my scalp, I use the Royal Oil Seal and Prep Moisture Milk to lock in that flake protection and also prep my hair for styling. And this is so moisturizing and so nice on my hair. I like to apply it mainly to my ends, but I also apply it closer to my scalp because it's not heavy and it's not going to affect the products that I follow up with it. I actually flat twisted my hair and I use a gel-based product and no flakes. So that is my regimen on how I keep my scalp flake free and my hair nice and hydrated. So with all of these products readily available to you, there is no need or no reason to continue to oil or grease your scalp. You can find all of these products at Family Dollar. So not only are these products game changing, but they are affordable. So definitely check out Royal Oils next time you stop at Family Dollar. And whenever you try them out, leave me an update in the comments down below. I promise you I will be hearing some amazing things from you guys. Well, as always, thank you so much for stopping by and tuning in to my channel. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and leave some positivity down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.